Hi, I'm Juan García Velasco, the Chief Scientific Officer of IVI RMA Global, and we're just back from ESHRE in Paris. We had an amazing meeting. It was the 41st edition of ESHRE, and one more year we have been the largest contributing group in scientific papers and presentations. It's really a pleasure to be part of this global research alliance that we at IVI RMA produce the highest number of abstracts in this European meeting. In particular, this year we presented 101 pieces of work. Out of these, 42 were oral presentations and the rest were posters, and it represents all the different areas where IVI RMA is doing research and improving what we try to provide to our patients. In particular, I would highlight three specific papers that I think they're really interesting because one of them is actually basic research that could be translated soon, and the other two are already translational research that we may apply really soon in our clinics. The first one is the umbilical cord PRP. PRP, as we know, is being used all over the world. There are different ways of obtaining PRP, but this is a very unique way of working with a particular PRP coming from umbilical cord blood. This blood is very rich in cells, and the PRP produced in these cells has been used in a pilot trial with women with very thin endometrium, and it's been really impressive that the results did improve significantly in almost 100% of the women. So we are highly excited with the results, and we're looking forward to a next step going into a clinical trial and see if we can actually solve issues like implantation failure or endometrial issues of women that may consider surrogacy, but probably by giving this treatment, they could have their own babies. The other particularly interesting paper is one coming from a mouse model in which we are giving the proteins that are being produced by stem cells. So this is the continuation of our work of mobilizing stem cells to treat premature ovarian insufficiency. We have isolated these stem cells, and from these stem cells we have isolated the key proteins that may contribute to the activation of the ovaries. And in this mice model of premature ovarian insufficiency, we have been able to improve fertility. So similarly, we are looking forward into a pilot trial with humans, and we hope to present this data in coming meetings. And the last piece of work that we are highly interested in it's a male factor research. We have been using hyperspectral imaging in the sperm, and by using this technology, we can identify which sperm has the highest reproductive potential. It's non-invasive, it's extremely simple to use, and it identifies by looking at this pixel image of the sperm which one has the best reproductive potential. And we have been able to demonstrate in this abstract presented at ESHRE this year in Paris how by choosing the sperm this way we can maximize the chances of women trying to have a baby. So three different areas, some basic research, some more clinical, both male and female infertility. I think it's just the tip of the iceberg of these more than 100 works that we have presented at ESHRE. It's the compromise of our Global Research Alliance, the compromise of IVI RMA as a global company trying to improve our patient care, things that really care on a daily basis.